All right, here I want to make a video for Toyota cars, the newer ones, and explain what is the difference between scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance, because they're two different things. You want to know the real difference? All you got to do is look at your owner's manual. If you're looking at the maintenance log or scheduled maintenance log, whatever they call it, at 5,000 miles, the first 5,000 miles, all they want you to do is check the filters, check fluid levels, rotate your tires, and inspect a couple things. And then at 10,000 miles, they want you to do the same thing, except this time you want to replace engine oil and oil filter. And that's the difference. Scheduled maintenance is, every 5,000 miles. Oil maintenance is every 10,000 miles. Keep going, another 5,000 miles at 15,000 miles. Same thing, they just want you to check fluids, wiper blades, rotate tires, etc. But that's only if you're driving under ideal or perfect conditions for the car. If you read down here, at the bottom of 5,000 miles, it says additional maintenance items for special operating conditions. And one of those operating conditions is driving on dirt roads or dusty roads. And if you look down there at the last thing, it says replace engine oil and oil filter. So they technically recommend replacing every 5,000 miles if you're driving on dirt roads and dusty areas. Another thing right here that says if 0W16 oil was not used at the last oil change, replace engine oil and oil filter. At the end of the sentence, it has a little 2 on it, and at the bottom of the page, this 2 basically means that you want to reset the oil maintenance and schedule maintenance at every 5,000 miles. So basically, it's up to you to decide when you want to do your oil change, every 5,000 or every 10,000 miles. Personally, me, to keep it on the safe side, I just do schedule maintenance and oil maintenance both at 5,000 miles and reset them at the same time. And if you keep on going to 20,000, 25,000 miles, again, it'll tell you what exactly they want you to do. So your scheduled maintenance basically is all these 5,000 mile checks. You want to mark off everything here. You want to do everything that it says here every 5,000 miles. And then your oil maintenance is just whenever you do your oil change. And like I said, just to keep it safe, I would recommend doing both of them every 5,000 miles. So just follow the owner's manual. It tells you everything that you have to check and when you have to check it. And that's the difference between scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance on your Toyota car. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.